This is the Manor Lodge. Medyo bago na. Ayan. This is a 360 view. Mountain ranges with fog. It's already 9 o'clock in the morning, kaya parang ganito. Maganda pag pupunta dito, tag-ulan. Malamig and so on. Walang masyadong tao. Okay, so we are proceeding. I don't know where we are proceeding. Saan tayo dadaan? Okay, as you can see. Sa kanila, picture, tayo video, si Mami, video with her normal dark glasses standard for ultraviolet. Okay, maganda. Ako na mo ako dito da. Yung background.
Picture.
Hello there.
Hello.
Call the section manager. Okay. Ito yung ata yung yung honeymoon cottage ata yun. That one. That's the honeymoon cottage, eh? Yeah, that one white.
Dating bahay ng ano?
Yung white, the one white.
Dating bahay ng...
Yun may daanan dati yan. There was a road
dating
there.
bahay ng ano?
There's a road there before. You can stop. Oh, may doon pa yung road eh. Diba?
Bahay ng ano yan eh. Diba yung dating... Ano na, Kamchanhe, yung pinaka-head.
Oh, sige, punta tayo doon. Post.
Big house?
Ito yung ito pala yung honeymoon cottage. You can see yun yung daan, oh. Ito, yung daan, see?
Asan big house? Ano naman yung big house?
Ito yung this is yan, So, if you will remember, this is the road that goes up, I don't know where, but kalye ito eh. Pero yun, yung kalye, it already moved here. Natanggal na yung kalye, but there was a road here, dito no, daanan eh. Daanan niya nung araw eh. Okay. We're walking na. We're going to the eating area, but maganda, relaxing. Pag September, because it's cold, foggy, it will rain this afternoon, so you can have a nice wine, Merlot, or Shiraz with some and may jacuzzi na dito and gym and sauna. So it's nice, relaxing. Masyadong mabigat yung breakfast nila ngayon dito, so we just go a light Starbucks. Maraming kido-kido. So we're moving. I will post this in our YouTube as usual. As you can see. Pero wala na yung amoy yung dati, yung breakfast dati. Ito na yung eating attack. Now we're walking towards, ito yung Mile High, ito yung mga stores noon dati. Now here. Joe, there's a Brothers Burger there. Now we're walking. Ito, Densios, as you can see the sign up there on the tree. Now we're walking.
Wala, lampas mo ng Gardaos, papuntang Clubhouse mo yun. Lampas mo sa Starbucks mo.
Darla, akya to.
Sabi mo, hindi mo kakaintindi. Kaya sobra penny ito dar, di ba? Yung cap nagka-problema, financing. Kinulang. Binabawi ata, whatever. Ito yung Janhe. As you can see, di mami naglalakad, nakapayong kahit walang ulan, just in case daw. Yan, pagod na si ma'am. Ayun. Malapit na Starbucks. Palagi ko dito tayo nun dar. Tumira. This is our breakfast area. Yan ang view ko, see? And the trees. Of course, Starbucks yun. You see the green, what do you call that? The green umbrella is Starbucks yun. Si Mami yan, having a cup of coffee, watching the trees go by. Yan ang view ko, I can see. I'm having a cup of hot, extra hot. Ulitin ko ulit. Tingnan mo yung... kumakain nata sila yung red. Nakikita mo yung green? Ifo-focus ko yan. Umagang-umaga yan ang breakfast nila. Green chili yan. Bakit? Tapos, nakafocus yan. Tingnan nyo sila. Parang hindi halata. Ganun ba? Sige. Okay. This is the view from my room. Yan, that's my wine glass while I'm watching the trees. This is the view from my room. Okay, from our room. Okay. Susunod, kukuha na ako na may balcony. Yung katabi may balcony. Okay, so this is John Manor Hotel, view of our room. And then view of our room. Okay, Mommy is in the computer, watching TV. Wag mo na. Then this our bed, and so on and so forth. Sige, tanggalin mo daw yung Okay. Okay, that's our room, television, computer. And then now, yan ang tinitignan ko palagi. Okay, that's the one. Very nice place here. Cold and foggy. Ulan yan. Ito, maginaw. Ito kotse namin, napupuntahan. Yan, that's the car that, ano ba ito? Chrysler. Okay. Okay, so, that's the, we're waiting for the cab. Waiting for the cab. This is Baguio on top of the SM. And as you can see the fog. I hope you can see the mountains on the background. Yan, fog lang yan. And if you take below there, you can see, I think that's Burnham Park. Okay, so yun, I don't know what that is, but this was the former Pines View Hotel. Ang view mo. This is a fog now. Sa kwarto, you can see the fog, you see? The fog is coming into our, to the manor is the fog. You will see the fog in my movie. In my, nandun nito loob ng fog. This is the morning fog. This is about 7 in the morning. This is the fog. Looking at my room.
Sugar, di pa.
Ha? Hindi pa, wala pa sugar. Fog na. As I view it in my room. In the manor room. Okay, bye-bye.